Hoophouse. Early August 2023. This is what I'm doing. So I just got done weeding the heck out of this thing. And what I did was put all the weeds in the middle of the pathway, just so they can die out and dry out, and then I'll just scan them around the ground when they start to break up. But for right now, I'm just going to get them in the middle of the pathway here. Underneath, I just have some old feed bags, just kind of holding down some areas so I can walk through. And what I'm doing is, after I get rid of the weeds, I am going to go ahead and water some stuff, because I do have some stuff that is small, that's still growing, like some small lettuces and stuff like that. So I have mixed up in my water with my fertilizer stuff. And here's my homemade fertilizer, and it stinks to all high heck, man. But all I did was pick a bunch of weeds, fill it up with water, put a lid on it, and let it basically ferment for weeks. And then now it's this awesome homemade cheap fertilizer, right? That's awesome. So go do that. So anyway, so I'm coming in here. I'm leaving all my lettuce go to seed to save the seed. But what I'm also going to do is just go ahead and allow the seed to fall where they may. And this one, all those little white specks are new lettuce seeds. So they'll grow for this year as well. I've got cilantro over here. And some basil that's trying to pop up over there. I've got some parsley and some small tomatoes in here that maybe they'll be okay after the frost. We'll see what happens. So that's what I'm kind of doing. I'm just going to let all my stuff go to seed, and then I'm going to just kind of let it replant itself over and over. It's like a little mini food forest that I don't have to do much other than to come weed once in a while. And then right here I'm saving some onions. They're biennials for producing seed. So they're last year's onions. I left them in here. They're going to seed now. So as soon as I can get the seeds, I will go ahead and start my own onion seeds next year and see if I get them to actually work. So that's what I'm going on in the hoop house today.